Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best in the business when it comes to at-home nail art, the Gella Short Gel Tips Nail Kit with Glue Gel. This fantastic set is perfect for anyone looking to achieve salon-quality nails without leaving the comfort of your home. Whether you're a nail art enthusiast or a beginner, this kit is here to elevate your nail game. The Gella Nail Kit includes 300 extra short, full matte almond-shaped gel tips, giving you a natural, elegant look right from the start. These nails are pre-buffed and ready to go, so there's no need for a base coat or filing before application, making the process quicker and easier. The almond shape is universally flattering, and the matte finish gives your nails a chic, modern appeal. One of the standout features of this kit is the 15 milliliters of solid gel glue. This isn't your average nail glue. It's a strong, long-lasting formula that ensures your nail tips stay secure for more than 30 days. The gel glue has a perfect viscosity, not too runny, no bubbles, and no unsightly white marks, making it ideal for a seamless, professional application. The kit also comes with a portable LED nail lamp, which is a game changer for curing your nails quickly and efficiently. Simply apply the gel glue to the nail tip, press it onto your natural nail, and use the lamp to cure the gel for about 30 to 60 seconds. It's as simple as that, and you're left with beautiful, sturdy nails. The gel tips are made with premium quality ultra-thin material that is lightweight yet durable. They're flexible and bendable, ensuring a comfortable fit without cracking. This flexibility, combined with the strong bond of the solid gel glue, gives you long-lasting nails that feel natural while still looking fabulous. If you're looking to get creative, this kit works wonderfully with all kinds of nail art decorations, allowing you to unleash your inner artist. Whether you're into simple designs or intricate nail art, these tips provide a great base for whatever you have in mind. This Gella Nail Kit is the perfect gift for a loved one or even for yourself, especially around the holidays, birthdays, or special occasions. It's a great choice for anyone who loves doing their nails, offering everything you need for an at-home DIY manicure. So, if you're ready to step up your nail game with high-quality, easy-to-use materials, the Gella Short Gel Tips Nail Kit with Glue Gel is the perfect choice. It's time to enjoy salon-quality nails at home with ease, convenience, and confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews from Product Critique.